Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am creating the first video of my channel. Uh, the purpose of this channel is to make tutorials on Excel, problem solving, and projects. So let's start. To use this software, we have to open this first. So we should type Excel in the search bar. We can see this icon came up. We should click on it. Now we can see there are so many templates here. We can use any of these templates as per our needs, but for now I am going with this blank workbook and clicking on it. So this is the interface of this Excel software. This is called Ribbon. uh, we can see many tabs here, many menus here: home tab, insert, page layout, formulas, with lots of tools and features. We have to use this while executing our work. We will discuss this later with more details. Now this is how we create a workbook. Now if we want to save it, then we need to click on this save icon. There are so many ways, but I'm showing you just one way to do saving. Now we should click on this browse. We have to show the place where we should keep this file. We should click on desktop, and we can name this workbook. For example, our first workbook. Save. So our workbook is saved. Now if we close it, you can see that our first workbook is created here. we, we want to open it, then double click on it. This is our workbook. So this is how we can create a workbook. Thanks for now.